Your Honor, the respondent herein, Alex Olapa Mahaga, was arrested on the 22nd day of April 2021 at Madaraka Estate within Nairobi. He was booked at Kilimani Police Station. Your Honor, the respondent was arrested following a report of attempted murder under Section 220A of the Penal Code. Your Honor, the respondent is currently facing a charge of gang rape by a Kilimani Police Station criminal charge. Your Honor, the respondent has made several attempts, directly and indirectly, to contact key witnesses in the matter with a view to interfere with the case.
Yes.
Your Honor, the failure by the respondent to get positive response from the witnesses, he has resorted to unlawful and desperate means to silence the witness by hiring hitmen.